Make secure connections between different materials with Bluefin PEX Crimp copper pipe adapters. Bluefin PEX Crimp copper pipe adapters connect PEX tubes to copper pipe at connection sizes ranging from 3/8 of an inch to 1 full inch. These adapters can be used with either the PEX Crimp or clamp system. Made from dezincification-resistant or DZR eco brass, the adapters offer exceptional protection against dezincification, stress corrosion, and cracking. A certified lead-free brass alloy with a high DZR rating is important for systems with high sulfur or mineral content. The durable brass alloy also gives these adapters a high pressure and high temperature tolerance, able to withstand a maximum pressure of 200 psi and temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bluefin PEX Crimp copper pipe adapters are versatile enough to use in most commercial and residential systems. Bluefin PEX Crimp copper pipe adapters come with a free 5-year limited manufacturer warranty. Get more info about the full line of Bluefin products here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.